Good evening. I first want to thank everyone here and apologize profusely for being so late. And somebody remind this gentleman he's in Mumbai, not New York. Take it easy, yeah. Alright. But it's been a long association with the magazine Filmfare. I've grown up reading this. And I think there are a lot of other magazines, there are a lot of newsprints and internet and media. But somewhere, I think Filmfare truly embodies the spirit of what the film industry is. Yes, truly it is. And one has been fortunate enough to have been associated in my longish career of 15 years with all of them. Jinesh, who's now the editor, was a little baby. And he's still a little baby. We try to take him especially as long as my association with films is. So it will always be special. And I always say that so the next Filmfare award can be given to me. I already have, I think, 12, 13 of them. And I have 13 of them, yes. And it has been, to me always, that whenever I have been on the cover of this magazine, somehow it has made me feel very, very special. Somehow it has made me feel that the work that I've done, the hard work that I do to entertain people, is truly, truly prized when I make it to a cover of this magazine. I have been, one of the few things I'd like to point out, Sardaji just said, I used to do, God bless him. Witty is so beautiful. Rani is so wonderful. I'm this small, simple, middle class boy struggling from Delhi. So make my life and buy the Filmfare magazine. It doesn't take away from the fact that I came here late and I apologize to everyone individually helping me. I was working and I'm a Muslim with a beard, so the police is a little more difficult with me nowadays. So it took me a little while. I have no excuse at least. They stopped me on the way for security checks. But thank you for being here, and thank you Dinesh, thank you for organizing, thank you everyone who's involved with the magazine and the Times upstairs also. The Times of India Group, Mr. Vinny Jain, my old friends who are no longer with Filmfare, who are with other magazines and other newspapers now. I miss them also. But truly, I'm very thankful for helping me and being a huge part of making me a movie star. Thank you, Ritesh. And thank you, Filmfare. God bless you all. Thank you so much.